My beautiful people, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a different video for you people. This is a makeup look video, of course. I've created this look only with products from Sugar Cosmetics. I am a huge fan of Sugar Cosmetics products and they are always the best. Whatever product you think of buying from Sugar Cosmetics, I am sure that you're never gonna regret it. So I have been a frequent buyer of most of the products that are available in Sugar Cosmetics website. Few of the products that I have created this look. Stay tuned for the entire makeup tutorial and let me know in the comment section below your reviews, your opinions on this makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start by applying Sugar, the most Eligiblur smoothing primer. I have used this in my previous video and you guys know how much I loved it. It helps to fill your pores and smoothen your skin and make your face, ready for foundation. Now I'm going to be applying Bling Illuminating Moisturiser by Sugar in the shade Kohl Diggin as my strobing cream to give a dewy base to my foundation. Now we are going to be applying Ace of Foundation Stick by Sugar in the shade Breve. I think this is kind of a tad bit dark for me because during lockdown we all know that staying indoors we have gone a little bit lighter. So that's what has happened. But I'm going to use a concealer of a slightly light color which would, make it normal. It also has got a brush at the other end, like at this end of the foundation stick, to blend it. So I'm going to use that brush for blending. It's a very small brush, so this is very kind of very travel friendly when you're traveling somewhere, so you don't have to carry a brush along with the foundation. This is just one compact bit of your foundation that you can carry everywhere. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade Chococcino by Sugar Cosmetics. I'm going to be using in my under eyes and also on my eyelids because I have a slight bit of pigmentation and I want the concealer to hide it all. And a few pigmentations that I have started getting here. Now I've got this Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper in the shade Cherry Brown. So this is a product that has been launched by Sugar Cosmetics recently and this is the first time I'm using this. I recently ordered this. You have 3 sides of this one. I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to use a spoolie first to brush off my eyebrows. Excuse my not so trimmed eyebrows because I know they look like ghost right now, but yeah, I didn't get a chance to go out. And just so you guys didn't notice, I'm back to Bangalore and I have all my makeup stuffs back again, so I'm gonna be coming up with a lot of makeup reviews in a few days. Now after brushing off the eyebrows, I am going to use the pen kind of end of the product, which is it's like very thin. It's like a pencil kind of thing, and so that you can brush and create single strokes of your eyebrows without messing them. And I love the way it's pigmented. I have been using the Arc Arrival Brow Definer by Sugar, and it was not very much pigmented, so you can save yourself from making mistakes in your eyebrows and you can correct it. And I love the way the pigmentation is. Just I am using very, very light strokes of this one. Wow, you see that? That's very pigmented. There is another side at the center of this product. It's like I think it's a sponge kind of thing, and it's there to fill in your brows. So you don't have to use that pencil thing to fill in the spaces that is probably left out. Yeah, now this is gonna be my go-to product for a long time. I think it's awesome for a not so trimmed brows. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below about this. If you have used it, please do let me know your reviews so that it would help me. Now before I powder my face, I want to use the Bling Leader Moisturiser on the high points of my face where I would want a subtle highlight, because I do not want a lot of highlight on my face. I'm gonna be using the moisturizer which will give me a subtle glow. Excuse me if you find me looking niche bahut zyada. I have a mirror here and I have to see that to create this look. Now to powder my face, I'm going to be using Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact in the shade Chococcino, and I'll use it at the places where my skin oils a lot, except the high points where I just applied the strobing cream. I think a little would be enough. I don't like mattifying my face totally. Now I'm using Contour D4's Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe 01 for contouring my face. I love the contour powder of Sugar because it's extremely pigmented, extremely. If you're someone who's looking for a good contour powder in your budget, then I must say please go for this one because it's gonna be worth every penny. You can see it's just one swipe and my face looks contoured. For blush, I'm going to be using Contour D4's Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. Again, I love the blush by Sugar Cosmetics because it's extremely pigmented. I just touched it and you can see how pigmented this is. I don't even need to dab it again because it has already given me that pink coral kind of tint that I needed. I'm gonna be using the same blush on my eyes just for a normal pink tint, and also to add on a little bit of depth to my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. I love this super duper matte eyeliner and it has got a very precise applicator which helps apply your eyeliner the way you want it to be. I'm going to create a small wing. I'm going to try to create a wing because I failed miserably at creating a wing liner. So I'm going to try. think I tried creating a chillable kind of wing liner, and I think I did a little bit of justice to that. This eyeliner is jet black. It's black, it's supremely black and totally matte. It dries down matte and it lasts for a long time. I am also planning for a review on this eyeliner, and I'm gonna try it for a few times, and then I can create a review on this one as well. For Kajal, I'm going to be using Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout 01. This is a intense black Kajal and very pigmented. For mascara, I'm going to be using Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade Black with a Bang. This is again one of the most amazing products by Sugar because it holds each and every lash and gives you that volume and desired curl that you require. It instantly uplifts your lashes, and I love that about this mascara. For the final part and my most favorite part, I'm going to be using Matte Attack Transferproof lipstick in the shade the Grandberries. If you have been watching me since a while, then you must be knowing that I am a huge fan of the berry colored lipsticks, and I've been wanting to try this lipstick. I'm going to review this soon on my channel.